Hey guys, back again. Been a while. Been a little busy, so haven't had time to do anything, but also because I've been ordering some parts. Parts I got in the mail, wiring harness, RSX wiring harness, and like an interior piece that it's not really important, but I found a good deal. Where I left off at, was not able to take the exhaust manifold off, the OEM header. One last bolt just wouldn't budge with the cordless impact, so I didn't have the big battery in. Yep, this 5 amp hour 20 volt battery in it, so this will be my first try at it. So that's the exhaust manifold bolt, but also the crank bolt. That's notoriously been a problematic bolt to take off, even with B series. There is a tool, crank pulley tool, that you hold on to it, and you use another ratchet, bar, whatever you got to do to take it off. But hopefully this impact will be strong enough. You might be wondering what this is. This is a mini taco from 7-Eleven. Yeah, say something about it. Squeeze buff. Alright, let's try it. Nah, I don't think that was any change. So might have to borrow that tool and then get a large breaker bar and large pipe. Wow, I'm stripping it. But here is a broomstick. Let's give this a shot. What's going on here? It was already broken when I stripped it. Stock looking header, check that out. It's pretty cool. Being a stock OEM exhaust manifold. Listen to my buddy Rex while working in the garage. Get up, Rex. Push. And here is another part that I got in the mail. What I have here is the RSX engine wiring harness.